Have you ever opened Canva and felt overwhelmed by a clutter of designs and images? Organizing them can save you tons of time, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to move multiple designs or images into folders in Canva step by step in 2025. First, open Canva and go to your all your designs page. Here's where everything lives, but if it's messy, finding what you need can be tricky. The good news, Canva makes organizing your project simple. To move multiple designs at once, start by selecting the designs you want to organize. Hover over a design thumbnail and you'll see a small checkbox appear in the corner. Click it and repeat for all the designs or images you want to move. Once your selections are ready, look for the folder icon at the top of the screen. Click it and you'll see a list of your existing folders. If you don't have the right folder yet, you can create a new one instantly by clicking Create New Folder, giving it a name, and hitting Create. Now, just click Move, and all your selected designs will instantly be organized into the folder you chose. That's it. No dragging one by one, no chaos, just clean, organized folders ready for your next project. And the best part? This method works for both images and designs, making it perfect whether you're a designer, content creator, or just someone who loves a tidy workspace. Organizing your Canva library not only saves time, but also helps you stay creative without the stress of searching for files. Give it a try and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a trick for mastering Canva in 2025.